Welcome back to my Chaos Corner. I figured I would do a short how-to. This is going to get me preparing for a different craft that I'm going to do later on. Going to make some colored Mod Podge. Homemade Mod Podge so that I don't have to go buy it. I always stock up on school glue at school time. So you're going to need school glue. It doesn't matter what brand. You're going to need a container to mix in. You're going to need something to mix with. You're going to need some water. And in this case, I'm going to need blue food color. And you can use whatever color you want. If you don't have the liquid food coloring and you only have like the Wilton's gel food coloring or some brand of gel coloring, it's perfectly fine. You're going to pour your glue into the container. That's almost empty, so I will add that into a different container of glue later on. I'm going to open this one. And I'm going to goop out quite a bit. There we go. And oops, didn't mean to hit the camera. Sorry, guys. Instead of making a mess and pouring this into there, I'm just going to scoop out some water with another container and pour it in. Mix it slow so I don't make a big old mess. I shouldn't have poured in so much water. That's alright. Not a big deal. I can pour some water out. Sure, I lost a little bit of glue doing that. Not a big deal because I can just add in some more. Remember to add in your water slowly. You don't want to add too much water because then you'll run into what I just did and have to dump some back out and add more glue. And it's this whole back and forth kind of thing. There we go. That's a little bit better. Remember to add your water slowly. You don't want it to be as thick as glue, obviously, but you don't want it to be super runny either. It needs to be this in-between, it will get your stuff wet, saturate your paper kind of thing, but still be sticky. I think we're getting there. I'm going to add just a little bit more water. There we go. That'll probably do it. Okay. And I made a mess over here, so I'm going to clean it up. Just have baby wipes on hand for whenever I make a mess. Some people get their baby wipes at the Dollar Tree. I'm a Costco shopper, so I buy this huge box of baby wipes so that I don't have to buy them very often, and they actually are cheaper that way. Okay, now that you have your decoupage media, your no-name brand Mod Podge made up, now you're going to color it. And I want a nice, good blue, so I put in about 4 drops. Because you're dealing with white. And I want, when I'm done with the project that I'm doing, I want the blue to show through. Obviously Elmer's glue dries clear, or school glue, dries clear. But because it is a white base, when you're starting with it, it thins the color out. So I want a good deep color. I think I'm actually going to go just a touch darker, so I'm going to do 4 more drops. Whoop, making a mess. Got glue all over it. Alright. Alright, so this is basically how you make colored Mod Podge. And, you know, that's, people are like, well, why would you want colored Mod Podge? Because you want to see the things that you're doing. This could be for a mixed media journal, that you want to add some color over top of the paper that you're embellishing on, or even putting on as an embellishment. You could do that. This is also a way to make almost instant sea glass, fake sea glass. So that will be, I think, a good color. And that will be for another project that I'm doing later on. As I get that project posted, I will link that project to this, and this one to that one, vice versa. Okay guys, that's how you make colored Mod Podge. If you have any ideas of what you'd use colored Mod Podge for, put it in the comments down below. If you've already made something with colored Mod Podge and you'd like to show it off, I'd love to see it, so put it in the comments below. If you like this video, obviously like it, share it, subscribe, and with that, I'll catch you guys on the next one.